Hey, how's it going? It's Jonathan Riggins again with EXP. I'm out here looking at a rental property for one of my clients. She's still moving up from Florida. Going out and about looking at places for her. This is a nice little rental area over by the Princess Anne Walmart. And let's take a tour. All right, starting from the front door, walking into the living room. Nice open concept all the way back to the back of the house through the kitchen. Rotate around here. Living spaces back to your left. Wood fireplace. Coming into the kitchen now. It's updated. It's quite nice. Stainless appliances. Sliding glass door to go into the backyard. Decent sized backyard. Nice long bar. They did a good job with this house. Dramatic shot. All right, rolling around. Living area. Primary bedroom. Decent sized closet. We're going to rotate around here. Full bath. Ensuite. Not bad, not bad. And a close up of the ensuite bath. Going down the hallway. Washer dryer hookup. Another full bath to our left here. Go in. Just like the main bath. Nice house. It was comfortable. Good neighborhood. All right, this is smaller of the two bedrooms in the back of the house. This one has fixtures like some of the ones that we haven't seen, or we have seen lately, where there's no fan. As we're continuing to the next room here, this one's slightly longer, and it has the hot water heater and a resting place to put it. In these next three pictures, you can see lower light switches that have been installed throughout the house. You can see one there by the half wall or bar. You can see one going towards the living room. And there's in the bedroom, there's a dual set of switches. Thanks for watching my video today. If you like my content, please hit the like button and subscribe.